Hello everyone, this is Mike Rempel from Another Set of Eyes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today we're going to take a look at data validation and using it to limit the entry of data into only one of a multiple list of cells. So here's an example. Let's say you have a questionnaire or a form that you want someone to fill in, but you only want them to place an answer or a choice in one of these three options, not more than one. So we're going to use data validation to accomplish this. First thing we're going to do is select our cell, and then from the Data tab on the ribbon, we're going to go to the Data Tools and select Data Validation. In the Settings tab, under Allow, we're going to pick Custom, and our formula is going to be equal count A, open parentheses, and then we're going to select our cells, and as we select them, we're going to make them absolute cell references by hitting the F4 key when we're selecting them. And once we have them all done, we want the sum or the total of those, or the count of those I should say, to equal only 1. And we're also going to provide an input message and say choose only one, and maybe a message that says please put an X in only one answer box and say OK. So now you can see if we select that first one where we put the data validation, message box comes up saying please put an X in only one answer box. So if I chose that one, I can put an X there, but since I haven't put data validation in the other boxes yet, it still allows me to do so. So let me just delete my X's there. And again, since we put an absolute cell reference in our formula, we can just copy that. So I'm going to hit Control C here, Control V there, and Control V there. So now if I select any one of these, you'll see the message box comes up regarding please select only one choice of the three. Choose only one. So now if I put an X in the first one, if I go to put one in the second one, I get an error message. If I go to put one in the third, again another error message. But if I clear that first one and go to put one in the second, no problem. Into the third, can't do it. So this is using data validation to limit the choices when you have multiple choices but you only want an entry into one of those options. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Thanks for taking a look at our blog today. If you'd like to see more, please go to excel-bytes.com and feel free to subscribe to my blog. Happy excelling!